This is the Mediasonic Homeworx HW130 digital converter box with PVR function, and today we're going to have a closer look at it. It's a compact-sized digital converter box that allows you to record over-the-air programming on a USB drive. So out of the package, you get the DTB box, the remote, which is a little on the smaller side, but to be fair, this is a very compact unit. RCA cables and the power adapter. On the back, you have RF in and RF out, HDMI, and RCA jacks. So you've got some flexibility in connecting to newer or older TVs. Here it is connected at the TV. I connected it with an HDMI cable, and my antenna is connected, and that's an outdoor antenna. The front of the unit features channel up and down, power buttons, and a USB slot for PVR recording. Okay, and here we are at the setup guide. Choose our language and country, and we'll run a channel search. And if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I only get 3 channels over the air, so please don't expect more. Although I wish I got like 50 channels, but I don't. Pressing TV list on the remote gives you a list of all the channels you've received. Pressing EPG gives you this view of the listings, and you can use the right and left arrows to shift through to different channels to see what's on and get a brief description of the programs. Pressing the HDMI button on the remote allows you to select the best video resolution for your situation, although for this to work, the box must be plugged into the TV with an HDMI cable. Pressing the info button twice brings up a signal quality meter, which is really handy for aiming your antenna. To record a program, insert a USB into the drive on the front of the set-top box, and this message appears on the screen. Make sure you're on the channel that you wish to record, press the record button. And recording begins. When you wish to stop recording, simply press stop on the remote control, and a message on screen asks you to confirm. Press OK, and recording is stopped. And the fastest way to access your recordings is to press the USB button on the remote control. It'll take you right to this PVR menu, and then if you press OK and find this folder, this is where your recordings will be stored, HB PVR. And here's the recording we just made right here. Pressing the hold key on the remote puts your recording into full screen mode, and you can watch it. When you're finished watching your recording, simply press stop and use the exit key to back out of the menu and return to TV. And another way to make a recording is to choose something off of your electronic program guide. Let's say I want to record this program here. All I have to do is press OK to select it, and it brings me to this recording schedule, and you can see that all of the information is entered, the channel number, the time and date, and the recording mode. So that means that it's all set up to record. All I have to do is press OK to confirm, and that automatically sets a scheduled recording for me. And if you are going to use the recording schedule function, then just make sure you have a USB drive plugged into your converter box. And if I change my mind and want to cancel that scheduled recording, all I have to do is press the number 3 key on the remote control, and this menu comes up to confirm that, and I can press OK, and that scheduled recording is now canceled. That's a review and tutorial of the Mediasonic Homeworx HW130 set-top box. It's a digital converter box with PVR function, and at a $30 price point, it is a great converter box to buy for either a secondary TV in the house or to add PVR capability to your primary television.